We're in a cable car right now.
What?
From La Chablais to
Verbier.
Verbier.
Yeah, and we're about to get to our hotel pretty soon.
It's like a 15-minute. It's pretty far up.
Yeah. All right, let's check it out. This is crazy. We're talking.
Look how steep that gets. We're in the top floor of one of these.
Okay, so we're in the mountains. We're still in the middle of Switzerland.
Verbier.
We're in Verbier and we're going all the way up to the top of Montfort. And we're gonna have the tallest fondue in Europe. So the highest fondue in Europe. And it's gonna be so legit. Look at this over here. Can you even believe it?
What?
Can you even believe it? Alrighty, here we are in Verbier. It is a pretty cloudy day, so we're just hanging on the porch in these bubbles. And I got a super legit coffee. Look what they put on top of it.
W.
It's a W for the W where we are.
What are we doing today?
So we are sitting here waiting to see if we're gonna go paragliding or not. It's a little foggy and a little bit rainy, so they're not quite sure if we're gonna go or not, but if we are gonna go, we'll go in about an hour and a half, so they should let us know pretty soon. Salmon.
Salmon last one, her fish. Chicken jalapeno.
It's time for dinner. Yours looks really good. Look at those french fries.
Jalapeno mayonnaise.
Ooh.
Homemade.
Yum. Hey. Do you think anyone is doing anything tonight?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think? Where's the party at?
I think it's that green building. See that green?
Oh yeah?
Mm-hmm.
I don't see anybody out here.
You can hear them.
Oh, I hear him in the green building. Let's go get him. Kyle, what happened?
Pub Montfort. They're having a private event, so we can go in.
What?
Yeah.
Didn't you tell them that we are VIP? What are you doing? The clouds would go away. That would be convenient. Guess we're doing this. Ready?
Okay, so you can just stand right in front of me here.
I landed safely. Now it's time for Kyle.
Save it down. I'm on 16.
That was awesome! That was so cool!
I gotta go kind of slow when I'm videoing. It's so rocky. That's a little village down there. Got some e-bikes to help us get up here.
Yes, we did.
Sky is perfect.
It's crazy.
You can see where we're going.
Over there. This is amazing. Let's go do some more and get lunch because Kyle's always hungry. Okay, I want to do stuff. Okay, so we are on a hike to the top of this mountain. I don't know what it's called, honestly. Forgot the name of it. But Kyle went a little ahead of me, and you can see him on the mountain up there.
We're FaceTiming Mom.
Hey! I'm trying not to lose my head.
Yeah.
Yeah, means you gotta go.
Little half dome.
Alright, Half Dome-esque.
Half dome, Switzerland edition.
Oh, so good stuff. the cows going?
I think they're just getting fed or something.
It must be lunchtime. Dinner time? I don't know. I'm so hungry. I've only eaten breakfast and it's like 4 o'clock. So we just hiked all the way up to the top of Pierre Avoy, and it was freaking awesome. It was just the right amount scary with awesome views, but we are so hungry because we only ate breakfast. The cows are eating now, so that means that we need to eat now. Where's my bell?
Oh, some poops.
Bike?
You can see the summit with the cross.
Bike. Oh my gosh. We did it. We did it. We did it. You ready for this? I'm so hungry.
That's my crumpet. Too heavy. Just waiting.
Waiting to do what?
The e-tron Audi. It's like a little SUV. Hard to keep Hannah focused on our goal on our hike. We're trying to beat a storm, so we gotta keep moving forward.
We are on our way to Lac des Vaux, and we're about an hour in, and it's tiring and cold, but we're gonna make it there.
Down to Verbier, and we can't see Verbier down there.
Verbier, where are you?